I am studying 8th class, Sri Saraswati M High School. I am talk about Cabinet Ministers of AP.
Chief Minister,
Nara Chandrababu Naidu,
Deputy Chief Minister,
Konirala Pawan Kalyan,
Education Minister,
Nara Lokesh,
Agriculture Minister,
Kindalapu Acchen Naidu,
Mines and Geology Minister,
Kollu Ravindra,
Food and Civil Supplies Minister,
Narendra Manohar,
Municipal Administration Minister,
Ponguru Narayana,
Home Minister,
Vangalpudi Anita,
Health Family Welfare Minister,
Satyakumar Yadav,
Water Resource Development Minister,
Dr. Nimmala Rama Naidu,
Endowment Minister,
Anam Rama Narayana Reddy,
Law and Justice Welfare Minister,
Nasir Mohammad Farooq,
Women and Child Welfare Minister,
Gummadi Sandhya Rani,
Finance Minister,
Payyavada Keshav,
Revenue Minister,
Anagani Satya Prasad,
Housing Minister,
Kolasu Partha Sarathi,
Social Welfare Minister,
Dr. Dola Bala Veerajanaya Swami,
Energy Minister,
Kottipati Ravikumar,
Tourism Minister,
Kannula Durgesh,
Road and Buildings Minister,
DC Janardhan Reddy,
Industries Minister,
TG Bharat,
BC Welfare Minister,
S. Savita,
Labour Factories Minister,
Vasan Shetty Subhash,
Empowerment and Relation Minister,
Kondapalli Srinivas,
Transport Minister.
Mandipalli Ram Prasad Reddy.